ground beef. Open it up. Nice. Italian herbs, tomatoes and garlic. Spice of your favorite choice. Make patty out of it. A splash of olive oil on the pan. Patty in. Fry it for 2 minutes. Now flip the patty. Put cheese on top. Break 2 eggs. First egg. Now the second egg. Beautiful. Now cover with lid. Cook for 1 minute. Mustard on bread. Spread it around. Add a little bit of mayo. Now thin slices of onions. Beautiful, steamy, delicious. Service. First egg on top of the bread. Now the patty, cheeseburger. Add another egg on top. Cover everything with another piece of bread. And voila, beautiful from all sides, homemade cheeseburger. Look at that. Let's try it. Yummy and delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.